Okay, so foodies, here is my pan, beautiful oblong pan, and we're gonna give this some of our, look at this, beautiful, beautiful, oh my God, beautiful. This is beautiful. I don't know what else to say, you guys. It's just great. And then I have a device over here for this, so we just go and we move it around. Move it around. You can make this into layers. I made enough here for layers, and there we have it. So spread it around and put some walnuts on top, and we'll show you how pretty this looks with a few walnuts on top when we come back. So I'm gonna continue doing this. Pete out. Okay, so now we're getting this beautiful frosting right on top, and I'm gonna turn my beautiful oblong around here, and this just makes it easier. We can put this on a buffet. We can do it any way you want. Put it in layers, put it like this, and you've got your cake. All right, so we're gonna come back in a minute, and I'm gonna show you how to put some walnuts on for decoration. So this is Pete, as always, wishing you the best. Out.